One person followed a structured psoriasis routine, another didn't. Want to know the results? Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skincare expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to create skincare that truly works. We often find ourselves dealing with two kinds of feedback during our customer calls. One, which tells us, I'm fine now, my symptoms are gone, my psoriasis is gone, I'm not using the formulations anymore. On the other hand, some say, my symptoms are back, don't you have something that will ensure long term results? We, of course, used to feel happier with the first one, but over time we realized that these are just two stages in your psoriasis journey. So, today let's talk about something we all want to know when dealing with psoriasis. Is there a treatment plan that gives long term results? It's a valid question. Most of us go from one flare up to another, treating symptoms as they come. But what if we shifted from managing flares to reshaping how our skin responds altogether? Let me show you what that looks like through two stories of two real people. One followed a structured routine, the other did not. So let's meet Meera and Raj. Both had moderate to severe plaque psoriasis for 5 to 7 years. Red scaly patches on the elbow, scalp and legs. Both had tried topical steroids, dermatologist recommended creams and coal tar shampoos. But their approaches were very different. Meera's medications helped her during flare-ups, but the flare-ups always came back. At some point, she asked herself, am I just putting out fires, or will I ever see a lasting change in my skin? That's when she switched gears. Instead of fighting psoriasis episode by episode, she built a structured daily plan with 3 core components. The first change she made was in daily topical care with activated oils. So she switched to cold pressed and activated oils known for their barrier repair and anti-inflammatory properties in her entire skincare. I'll quote a little research here, which actually helped a lot of our users, including Meera, get convinced by the power of oils. The Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology has shown that botanical oils rich in linoleic acid can reduce transepidermal water loss and calm inflammatory pathways in the skin, especially in skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. The second thing she did was diet and lifestyle adjustments. She reduced processed foods, cut down dairy and sugar, and focused on anti-inflammatory meals. She told us that she did this because she read somewhere that a Mediterranean-style diet can help reduce psoriasis severity thanks to its high antioxidant and omega-3 profile. We, of course, agreed. The third thing she did was stress management. Since Meera knew that psoriasis flares are closely linked to stress, she added 15 minutes of deep breathing and light movement daily. Just so you know, a systematic review published in PubMed highlights how stress exacerbates the immune system's response in psoriasis, and mindfulness-based interventions can reduce both severity and flare frequency. Meera did not stop her dermat medications. She just stopped relying only on medication and began actively supporting her skin's ecosystem. Raj, on the other hand, continued what most of us do. He applied steroid creams and even some of our formulations when symptoms appeared. Once things improved, he'd stop all care. There was no ongoing routine, no daily nourishment for the skin, no changes in food or lifestyle. He saw psoriasis as something external that needed to be treated, not something internal that needed to be understood. This reactive approach is way more common, and we have to say that we really appreciated Meera's strength for making such big changes in and around her life. Fast forward 12 months. Meera's skin was no longer inflamed all the time. She still had flare-ups, but they were fewer, milder, and shorter in length. Her skin was visibly calmer. She no longer felt the panic that used to come with every red patch. She felt in control. Not cured, but in control. And Raj, His condition was largely unchanged. In fact, his dermatologist had to increase the dosage of his topical steroids. His scalp flares were more frequent and he was beginning to develop steroid resistance. So, what do you think made this difference? It was not luck, it was structure, consistency, and a plan focused on skin resilience, not just suppression. Let's take a sneak peek into the science behind what happened. So, what really happened to cause the difference between Meera and Raj's results? Well, psoriasis is not just a skin issue, it's an autoimmune condition. That means your immune system is overreacting and sending out too many inflammatory signals. Topical steroids suppress those signals temporarily, but unless you're also calming the immune system, reducing your triggers, and helping your skin rebuild its defenses, the cycle just repeats. That's why Meera's approach worked. She wasn't just treating symptoms, she was feeding her skin barrier daily, she was interrupting chronic inflammation naturally, and she was also retraining her immune response gently but consistently. Activated oils, regular nourishment, and mindful living gave her skin the tools it needed to be more resilient. On the other hand, Raj depended solely on corticosteroids, which many studies have now shown that it may have limitations in the long run, increasing the risk of rebound flares and escalating dosage needs. So here's the takeaway. If you're dealing with psoriasis, you deserve a plan that isn't just about emergency care. You deserve daily care, root level care, structured, thoughtful healing. There is no miracle here, but there is a method. If you've been living like Raj, treating flares as one-off events, it's time to think long-term. Build a rhythm. Use products that support, not suppress your skin. Nourish it every day, even when it looks okay, because that's when real healing happens. And if you're ready to build your own structured routine with therapeutic oils and daily practices that work with your body and not against it, start today. Your skin will thank you 12 months later. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. You can also book a consultation with us if you have more questions on psoriasis management. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.